March 24th, 2026. Google's YouTube division is completely bonkers. So I just brought up my name in YouTube, and this video I posted 13 years ago of a photograph of an artwork which is disassembled a long time ago. It says no views. I'm going to click on it. 226 views. Wow. Let's see what else they do here. Okay, sketching Auschwitz, addressing Holocaust revisionism in the forward. No views.
Readings August 31st, 2014.
222 views.
The drawing.
It's very strange. Actually, all of these say no views. I find it doubtful. 23 views. No views. 65
October
views.
13th here, and I've just finished the bottom.
Just goes on and on. Whereas this one says 30 views. Let's see.
Greetings December 7th, 2015.
And that's the same here. Very strange. Here's another one, no views. Click it on. Has had 123 views. So strange. Here's another one, no views.
9th, 2016, I'm at the
And it's had 127 views.
exhibit.
Here's another one, no views. Click it on.
I'm just
It's had
curious
12
here.
views.